Hey guys, if you want instant alerts when your Reolink camera detects movement, setting up motion detection alert is quick and easy. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to activate and customize motion alerts step by step. Step 1 is opening the Reolink app. Start by launching the Reolink application on your phone and select the camera you want to set alerts for. Make sure that the camera is online and connected properly to your application. Now, step 2 is going to camera settings. Navigate to this by tapping the gear icon to access the camera settings, scroll down and find the detection alarm or motion detection section where you can fully control alert preferences. Step 3 is enabling motion detection. So turn on the detection toggle to activate this feature. Once enabled, the camera will start scanning for movements and can send push notifications when motion is detected. Step 4 is customizing detection zones. So, set up detection zones by selecting the areas you want to monitor. This helps you focus on important spots like doorways, driveways, and ignore places with frequent and harmless movements. Now, step 5 is adjusting motion sensitivity. So fine-tune the motion sensitivity to balance between catching important activity and avoiding false alarms. Higher sensitivity picks up smaller movements but might also catch unnecessary triggers. Now, step 6 is setting notification preferences. So you can decide how you want to be notified. You can enable push notification, email alerts, or both. Push notifications are the fastest option to instantly see what's happening on your phone. Step 7 is testing the alerts. So after setup, walk through the detection area and see if the alerts trigger as expected. Adjust sensitivity or zones if needed to make sure that you're only getting useful notifications. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.